Hello everyone, I am Dr. T. Manjula, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to discuss few points about Introduction to Research Methodology. In outline about this presentation, it includes introduction, research methodology concepts, research methodology classifications, features of research design, characteristics of research, steps involved in a research process, and research study. Introduction about research methodology. Research methodology is defined as a careful investigation for new facts in any branch of knowledge, that is, a detailed and careful study of something to find out more information about it. As per the words of Redman and Mori said, research is a systemized effort to gain the new knowledge, and it is the systematic process of collecting and analyzing information. And Clifford and Woody said, research is defined as redefining problems, formulating hypotheses and objectives. Why do research? Research allows you to pursue your interest, to learn something new, to hone your problem solving skills, and to challenge yourself in new ways. Working on a faculty initiated research project gives you the opportunity to work closely with a mentor or a faculty member or other experienced researchers. Other than this, researchers can gather the information exploratory and explanatory. Desire to get a research degree along with its consequential benefits, and desire to face the challenge in solving the unsolved problems, desire to get the intellectual joy of doing some creative work, desire to be of service to the society, desire to get the respectability and directives of government, employment, conditions, etc. So these are all the reasons we are doing the research. Features of research works. A plan, a strategy, the time and budgets are the few of the features of research works. A plan specifies the sources and types of information relevant to the research problem. A strategy, which approach will be used for gathering and analyzing the data. Time and budgets. Most studies are done under these two constraints. And moreover, measurement of objectives, data collection process, systematic, reproducible and logical are some other features of research works. Characteristics of research. Systematic, logical, empirical, objectivity, replicable, transmittable and quality control are the few of the characteristics of research. What is systematic? All steps must be interrelated one to another in our research work. Logical means agreeing with the principles of logic. Empirical, conclusions should be based on evidence and observations. Objectivity, it must answer the research questions. Replicable, nothing but reproducible. It can be able to copied or reproduced exactly. Transmittable, it is nothing but capable of being passed by physical contact from one person to another person. Quality control, accurate measurements, all well designed and conducted research has potential applications. Next one, steps involved in a research. Choosing a subject and literature survey, defining the formulation of specific objectives, prepare synopsis, procuring of suitable apparatus and materials, design of experimental setup, preliminary experiments and execution of projects. Choosing a subject relevant to our interest and literature survey, check through all over idea in original, get articles and read articles and their references, find the gap areas, find the absolute measurements and results, define objectives of the study. Next one, formulation of project objective clearly indicates who is the benefit from the desired outcomes and impact. Prepare the synopsis, state the category and examine the structure of our novel and include all the main plot points, write in neutral languages. Procuring of suitable apparatus materials, measuring instruments and the analytical apparatus or instruments, design of experimental setup, experimental treatments to manipulate the independent variables. Preliminary experiments, it is a step-by-step process of experiment and executing the results in the gradual manner, execution of project, the final stage of the project for its action, and final conclusion. The process of the research, it including the formal training, and it is classified into several types, that is question problem, formulate goals, plan and design research, generate research, and interpret results. First one question are problem finding, and it including the procedures, consumers, and policy makers. If it is other discipline means, then we will go for a formulate goals and objectives. And next step is plan and design research. And next one generate the research results, that is the service expertise. And the final one is interpret results and draw conclusions approved from scientific professional community. Types of research methodology. It is classified into application and inquiry mode. Application mode is again classified into pure and applied research. Applied research means finding solutions for immediate problems facing a society or an industry. Then pure means concerned with generalization and formulation of a theory. Inquiry mode, it is classified into quantitative and qualitative approach. Quantitative approach means measurements of quantity or amount. Qualitative approach concerned with qualitative phenomena, that is reasons for human behavior. Quantitative research methods. Quantitative research methods emphasize the objective measurements and the statistical, mathematical, or numerical analysis of data collected through the polls, questionnaires, and surveys, or by manipulating pre-existing statistical data using computational techniques. It is classified into several types, that are quantifying a problem, random sampling, deductive reasoning, object-based research, systematic operations, advanced statistical analysis, graphical data representation, and the numerical projection of perception. Next one, studies of research methodology. Based on the research objectives, the studies can be categorized into exploratory or formulative research, descriptive research, diagnostic research, and hypothesis or testing research. Exploratory or formulative research to gain the familiarity with a phenomena or to achieve new insights into it. Next one, descriptive research to study accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situations, or a group, including survey. Diagnostic research to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which is associated with something else. Hypothesis or testing research to test a hypothesis of causal relationship between the variables. Conclusion of research methodology. It will be fulfilled when it is approved with a research article writing and publications and a research report. In a research report, it including the introduction about our research and statement of problem, review of relevant literature, statement of research objective, research and experimental design, data analyzing results and discussions, conclusions, limitations and implications, references and appendices, and future work. Thank you for watching this video.